Good morning, everybody. Sorry I'm not in school today. I'm in Midland with my mother who is in the hospital, so I will be here for a couple days. There's my dad. um, and I hope that I have planned something that can be somewhat fun for you guys to work on while I'm gone. You get to make a speaking avatar. And I've emailed you the instructions, the requirements that you need for this assignment, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, everybody, I am using something called Screencast-O-Matic to basically record everything that I'm doing on my screen to help show you how to create a Voki. Voki is a speaking avatar. You get to make a character that looks like you. In fact, you have to make sure it looks like you. And you're going to answer some questions about yourself. I've sent you an email. This is what the email looks like. You're going to go to Voki.com. That's the site. You're going to kind of play around with it today a little bit. You can have fun. You can make some goofy characters. Just kind of get used to the program today. And then tomorrow, by the end of the hour, you need to have a finished Voki, and the Voki is going to be about you, and you need to create an avatar that looks like you. You must include your name, some things about you that others may not know, or things that you're good at, hobbies that you have, your plans for the future, 5 years from now or 10 years from now. Explain somebody that you admire, and then anything else that you want to add about yourself. And then this tutorial that I'm making right now will be added to your email, so you can go back and reference that at any time. When you're done, you're going to save your Voki, and you're going to call it About Me, and post it to your blog. So here's how you're going to do it. You're going to go to Voki.com, Voki.com. You're going to, in the upper right hand corner, click Register, and you're going to fill out this information. You're going to put your first name and your last name. Your email needs to be your Gladstone School's email account. You're going to write that again right here. It's going to give you an activation link sent to your email, so before you log in, you might have to go to your email and just prove that that's who you are. Do not check on this box. You do not need to get any news, mailings, or newsletters. Create a password. Just use your student number, the same thing you use to log on to the computer. So you're going to put that in for password. You're going to do that again for confirm password. Then you need to click these two boxes. I certify that I'm 13 years or older. If you're not, just pretend you are. And you're going to also click on I accept the terms of use. Then you're going to click Sign Up. Once you do that, it will probably say, okay, you're all registered. You might have to go to your email. When you go to your email, you might get an email from Voki that says, click the activation link. So once you do that, you'll be able to log in. So you're going to log in using your email. Hopefully I used the right one. Yep. Okay. So now you can see that I've made a couple avatars about myself, but what you're going to first do is you're going to click Create a New Voki. Once you get in here for today, I just want you to get used to the program. You first can decide what kind of a character you want. So you're going to click on Customize Your Character, and you can start with the head, and then you can move on to clothing and the bling later. Anything that has this little graduation cap you won't be able to use. It's only for specific types of registrations. So you're going to want to find some that don't have that. Let's see, I'm going to just choose female. And you can just choose one of those people. Right above here, right above male, female, and all, you can actually go between different ones. You can do tunes, You can do anime, animals, edgy, oddballs. So you can kind of have fun with this. Then you can choose the hairstyle. So I might choose, I don't know, I'll just choose this one. And then you can change the color over here. So I could change the hair color to a dark brown if I ever decide to dye my hair dark. You can also change the eye color. I have green eyes, so I'll probably stick with that, but if you have blue eyes, you can click on blue. You can change the skin color, so you might have a lighter or a darker skin tone, whatever you want to do for that. And you can change the mouth color, so you can make it look like you have red lipstick on. You also can choose tweak here. You can make your mouth, wider or skinnier depending on what kind of features you have. The nose can be wider. Hers doesn't show up very well. Your body can be wider or thinner, and your height and the width of your face. So just try to make it look as best as you can like you. You can also change the mouth style, and sometimes you can even add some mustaches. You can change your clothing. So you can put on different kinds of costumes. Oh, I'll choose the cheerleader. You can add a hat. There we go, a cheerleader with a hat. And you can add some bling, sunglasses, some diamond jewelry, props, anything you want. So just play around with this to begin, and then once you have it kind of looking how you want it, you're going to hit done. And then you can choose to give it a voice. You can click on the phone and you can actually call from your cell phone. It gives you the number to call, and then you put in this passcode, and then it will just record anything that you say into your phone, and that's what will be said on your Voki once it's published. Lots of people get nervous doing that, so most people just use the typing to text. So right here in this space, you can just say like, hello, oops, my name is Mrs. Molesky. I love to eat sushi. Yum. Whatever you want. You can choose an accent. There's all kinds of fun ones. I'll stick with English. And you can choose a person to speak, so it can be a female or a male, and it can be like a Scottish. I could do Fiona with a Scottish accent. And then you can hit done. You can choose your background. So play around with all of this. And then once you're all finished with everything, you're going to hit publish. You're going to name it About Me. Save. And there it is. Now from here, you're going to have your Voki here. Now there's two things you can do with your Voki at this point. You can copy this link, and you can post this link to your blog, or you can copy the code and you can embed the code into your blog. That's something we haven't done yet. If you know how to do it, you're welcome to do that. But for now, you can just copy and paste this link. Or you can wait until I get back and I can show you guys how to put your Vokis into your blog. So just for an example, this is one that I made 2 years ago. Play.
Hello, my name is Mrs. Molesky. My favorite food is sushi. I am creative, loyal, and goofy. I like to think that I am athletic, although my husband disagrees with me. I am trying to learn to become a better cook, but so far I have been unsuccessful. I coach cheerleading, teach kickboxing, and run 5K and 10K races as much as I can. Some goals that I have for the future are to learn how to cook, build a nice big house, coach a state championship cheer team, and get my master's degree. The person that I most admire is my mother. I hope to be just like her someday.
So there's my Voki. Obviously it's a little outdated by this point. I'll have to make a new one, but go ahead and have fun with your Voki today. Be creative and just get used to the program today, and then tomorrow by the end of the hour I want you to have a finished Voki that looks like you. It must look like you. So I don't want a Voki of Barack Obama speaking in some weird language. I want it to look like you. Okay? Have fun and email me if you have any questions. I will have my phone on me. Oops, how do you